What's up, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through two big trades I caught today. I took a total of 3 trades, 2 winners, and 1 loser. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. So, the losing trade I took was on ES pre-market, right? I was trying to reject, it just wasn't there, right? Come up, hit my stop loss, followed my exact plan, managed my risk well. So, losing trade happens, part of the game. Let's take a look at the NVDA trade that I took. And this was called out inside Team Bull, gave my exact trade ideal, when I was entering, all that good stuff. So I noted pre-market, and if you was in my Instagram live, you know exactly what I'm talking about, that we have this hourly demand on NVIDIA. So I noted that, had my zone drew out. And what I wanted to see, is coming out of this pre-market, I want to see us break this resistance. See, this is an area that we have rejected in the past, or we bounced on in the past, right? So I want to see us get above that 457.5 area for calls for a breakout trade. I knew once we got above that, it's basically a clear shot up to that 461.4, getting even more, as you can see right here. So I took a little early entry. Once we reclaimed that VWAP, I got in. I knew my stop loss, but got in, took the 460 calls. Honestly, my feel was not great. The spreads were a little wide when I first entered. Luckily, it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Had a beautiful move up. My last sell was very close to the top up here. Contracts absolutely exploded once they got in the money. One more thing I want to point out on a breakout trade, right? I did have an early entry. That's not always a great idea, especially when you're, trading breakout trades. What you want to do, you want to have level 2 pulled up. If you're not familiar with level 2, the best way to learn it, you can watch YouTube videos, but just watching it in real time helped me the most. So what I like to see when I'm looking for a breakout trade is I want to see the bids get above that key level, the size increase. I want to see some aggressive buyers coming into the market, basically, because a lot of times the ask will be above it and the bid will be below it, and that's not a confirmed breakout. You want the bid to be above it, okay? Just a little tip. So the next trade we took was on QQQ, right? So I just want to point out this resistance you can see here on the hourly, right? It's confirmed resistance. We got multiple touches on the hourly time frame. So I seen it pushing up towards that. And it's also a supply zone up there on the hourly, as you can clearly see. Push towards the bottom of the supply, this resistance here. I want to see signs of a rejection, right? So let's go to the 5-minute. You can see much better. So we came up, touched, some indecision here on this candle. So I entered this trade right here. Once I seen the sellers were back in control, I entered with QQQ puts. My stop loss open above this previous candle here. As you can see, it did exactly what I wanted it to do. I was trading the next day expiration, and honestly, they moved pretty well. I typically trade same day expiration as long as it's before 11:30 a.m. Eastern time. But I was in a hurry. I pulled up the 1 day till expiration, and they moved well. I'm very happy with the way they moved. Honestly, my final price target was going to be a 385, but as you can see, that hasn't happened yet. The buyers got back in control down here, came back down, retested this area that we formed pre-market retest, and got our continuation up. But contracts really exploded there as well. Very nice trade. I think I have taken, if I'm not mistaken, 6 trades this week. 1 loser, 5 winners. 2 went over 100%. Very good week, and most of them trades was while I was on vacation, but I'm back home now. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope I covered everything there. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I just want to say I appreciate all of my subscribers. A lot of you have been with me since the beginning, and I appreciate you. That's all I have for this video. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.